This is a quick review for the smart pump made by Airmoto. Now, this is going to actually help out in the sense of for every time that you need to inflate your tires and you've got this available, you won't have to do that traditional, go to a gas station, see if you can use an air pump to pump the air in your tires. This will be readily available. But let me explain a few things before we get into a quick demonstration of how it works. When you want to use it, after you've charged it, you're going to hold on to this button for about 3 seconds or so, and you'll see it go on. Now, you're going to have a couple different types of options. So while this is great to put air in your tires for your vehicle, there's other things that it can do as well. And the display is at the top here. While hard to see, this is a picture of a car. So that will signify for the tires for your car. And you can toggle it here. And now it's a motorcycle, a bicycle, and a ball. So depending on what you want to use this for, you've got a few different options. I want to quickly mention here at the very top, you can change measurements this way. But we're going to stick with the PSI right there. And we can bring it to the right or left, and right or left will either increase or decrease. Now, we could hold on to the button so that we can make it go faster, or you can just single it out by pressing on it. On the top part here, you've got a little LED light, so if need be, you can hold on to this top button for a few seconds. And it's a very bright light, but in the case, maybe it's nighttime and you want to use it. Hold that top button again, and it goes off. Here is the little hose that conveniently is put through here. There's a little bottom button right here that you can press, and that will help press it out. You can easily screw it in the top, just like this. One of the other things I like is it doesn't take up a lot of space. Now, if you want to charge it, once you put this back, you can see right there. That's where you can actually charge it up there. So it is battery operated. If you're wondering how much charge is in it right now, I've got a full charge, and you can see that display right there. So everything on this is really easy to read. Now let's go ahead and show you how it works with the car. Now you can see I have it connected. It is dangling a little bit, but it's not so much a bad thing. I'm going to do a close-up here so you can kind of see there's the target amount of pressure on the bottom and the amount that's actually in there right now. And as soon as it hits the target, it should turn off. You can see there's a side button right here. In the case you've got too much air in there, you can press that and that will deflate it while you've got this hose actually in there. So I wanted to quickly mention that. So that was my quick review for the Airmoto. Be sure to head to the description box to check out where you can get yours today.